Hello, I think now we can start. So, today we are thrilled to unveil the power of the new Think Park Marketplace. I'm Marwan, Vendors and Partnership Manager here at Think Park Market, and I'm thrilled to have my colleague Miriam today with me, our Catalog Manager. Together, we are here to guide you through the latest enhancement of the new Think Park Marketplace. Our team has been working tirelessly over the past few months to provide a superior buying and selling experience, reflecting our commitment to innovation, customer service, and growth. And today, we're excited to share the results of this effort with you. During this session, we will explore the seamless integration of the new features, catalog best practices, and the new seller portal designed to elevate your sale potential and operational efficiency. Our main goal is to deliver an extensive LP1 catalog by collaborating with reliable partners, ensuring a seamless and efficient platform that exceeds their expectations. And currently, we take the pride in being the largest LP1 marketplace, offering a variety of LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, and LTE products. Let's embark on this journey together as we uncover the endless possibilities that await with the new SyncPort market. So, what do we have in our agenda today? We will walk through of the marketplace's front end, highlighting the redesigned interface that elevates the user experience and highlights of the key updates. Additionally, we will explore a typical new seller journey. Also, we will dive into the daily operation within the new seller portal. We will discuss how you optimize your product listing using the new templates and the best practices, as well as leveraging microsite as your brand's digital storefront. Also, we will have the key takeaways and practical strategies to enhance your performance. So starting with the navigating the new frontiers by the new functionalities on the marketplace. So we have a lot of new functionalities added on the marketplace, and I'm very excited to show you this today. So I will show you this in a live mode, and then we can get back to this slide so we can have a recap. So starting with the new design and navigation, we have redesigned the overall look and feel of the platform with an interactive slider that showcase our best efforts, a new section dedicated to presenting our technology and main categories. And also we have different verticals here that the customer can choose from. Not to mention that we have also like new categorization plan, which we added into our new verticals. So basically here we have different use cases that the customer can choose from so they can quickly narrow down their product filtration and product listing. Not to mention that we have the advanced search option, empowering the user to narrow down their search result based on different criteria, such as the RF region, the certification, product capabilities, and whether it's available in stock or not. Also, on the other hand, we have an improved product page layout. So product page now include additional section to highlight the use cases, product capabilities, and rating. So as you can see, this is a typical new product page, and this is how it looks like. So starting with the description of the product, and also we have this a new functionality that has been introduced to this marketplace. It's the dynamic frequency map. We have this dynamic frequency map, which is available now to assist the customers in selecting their RF region to provide like better product selection and to avoid the confusion that comes to the customer once doing the product selection. Also here we have the product customization if your product has any customization, so the customer can quickly choose down from the custom option that available here, so to have a tailor-made and specifically based on their use cases. Not to mention also as well, we have the quotation request functionalities. So now customer can request special pricing for higher quantities using our new quotation functionality. Sellers can choose to accept, reject, or propose counter offers, streamlining the negotiation process. So basically what the customer has to do is to customize the product as much as they want, and then they will be able to add it to the quotation cart. And like that, the customer can fill the information and they can quickly submit the quotation request to the seller. Also, not to mention that our new seller portal has undergone a significant enhancement with the introduction of an intuitive performance dashboard. This new dashboard will help you like to understand like the efficiency and the performance of your activity on the marketplace by showing like different key metrics that you could use for your business efficiency, such as the average order amounts, the most viewed products, and also You can do that based on the reporting of the sales by a periodic sessions of different timeline of your activity on the marketplace. Not to mention that the new seller microsite have additional widgets to display bestsellers, certification, shipping condition, seller ratings, and listing. Microsite will also have an FAQ section where sellers can answer frequently asked questions related to their products, activity, and delivery process as well. And last but not least, switching from a buyer account to a seller account is really easy. So thanks to the new shortcut that you will have here after you log into your buyer account, you'll be able to transform your buyer account into a seller account by completing the registration with the same information that you have in your buyer account as well. So basically, as you can see here, we have a lot of functionalities that has been introduced into the marketplace to facilitate and provide you like a seamless experience during your seller operation activity. Now let's have a look into a typical new seller journey. So starting with the registration by registering your seller accounts and gaining access to the seller portal, in which you can finalize your setting account setup by connecting your payout account and adding your seller information. And then after that, the microsite, which is a specific brand space dedicated for your brand, in which you can showcase your unique offering. And then moving to the product listing, where you showcase your product using intuitive creation tools designed for the ease of use. After that, the stock management, while you seamlessly control and update your product inventory. Moving to the order processing, in which you handle orders from placement to fulfillment with streamlined efficiency, and then connecting with customers. So building connection is really important. Now you can build connection through directly and efficient buyer communication. Our new messaging tool, which groups and archive buyer and seller communication, and also gives the functionality of file sharing. And then the quotation processing, the streamlined quotes for smooth transaction with buyer and better negotiation. And finally, it's promotion and marketing. So you can boost your sales and attract customers with strategic promotion and discounts tailored to your offerings. Now, with the use of the promo codes, you can promote your products and then you can reach out to the customers to provide them a better experience. And now I will leave you with my colleague Miriam to give you a quick presentation of how you can master the new seller portal through the live demo.
Thank you, Marwan, for the introduction. I will show you all how to create a new product with all the new functionalities that we have on the marketplace. First, let's start with the components included. The components included, it will show what it includes on your kit or your device. If the device can include an accessory or a cable or something that you want to add to your device, you can add it in components included. It can also be for services or subscriptions to specify all the content of your offer. So to use the components included widget, you need to go to the specific section. For example, in an integrated solution kit, you go to the section of content and it will appear right here. And then you insert the widget, product description, admin row, and then you start to fill in the fields where you need an image, a text, and everything for it to appear like this. This will be the final result. You will have on the left side the evaluation kit content, and on the right side, if you want to add options for your kit or your device or your service or your product in general, you can also add them and it will appear on the right. So there we have the components included section. Then we move on with the product templates description. Here you can describe all of the content of your product, or you can describe your company, or everything that you want to highlight from your product, you can do it here. It will be the same process. You will have to insert a widget, select from the drop-down menu, description, and add the correct images, text, and everything that you want to include for your product. Insert widget and save normally. So your result would be like this. You will have an image here and here. You can change them, and a text. It's interactive, so you can put all the images that you would like to present and to better present your kit content or your product in general. Then we move on with the next functionality that is called Endless Possibilities. In this widget, you can insert all the use cases that of your product. It can be really specific or it can be general. It's up to you, and you can also add images to help your clients and customers to identify the correct use case of your product. To do that, you will have to go to Seller Portal, insert widget, select from the drop-down Endless Possibilities, add new row, and fill in the fields. The end result will look like this. You will have different sections with different images. And the final widget that we implement is technical documents, where you can upload the documents of your product. If you want to insert any certification, any data sheet, a user manual, here's the widget to do it. Also, you can insert links if you want to introduce the product page of your product on your own website. You can also do it. It's really easy to use this widget. To use this widget, you just go to Technical Documents section. You do the same, insert widget, and from the drop-down, select Technical Documents, add new row, and just upload the document, either a PDF or a link. And just like that, it will appear on the front end like this, either a link or a downloadable PDF. Then we move on for the strategies to assure your success in our marketplace. We prepare for you a document of the minimum product requirements to give you an idea of the best practices, to help you how to do it, to guide you in this process. We also provide you tools where you can do character counter, or you have many documents to help you in this process, in this journey of creating your product. You can find it in the onboarding guide that is provided by Marwan. It is important for you to have the minimum requirements because it will allow us to first prioritize your product, because it will be faster for us to revise it and for it to be able to publish it and on the marketplace. Also, it will provide you more visibility for your products, for your customer to make the right decision and selection in no time. It will be fast because they can just see what the products include, what it has, all the key feature highlights, everything in just one go. And also it helps them in the process of deciding faster and selecting your product and before other products. A more important thing also to have is a microsite. The microsite will present your own store to your customer, and also present your best sellers and all the products that you have on the marketplace. You can edit it on the seller portal in configuration part. It is important to add clear logo and banner of your presentation. Moving on, we also recommend you to have rating and reviews of your product to gain this trust of the customer and clients when selecting your products. It is important to mention good feedback of how they use it, what is their experience, in order for them to make a complete choice.
One of the most effective methods to measure business operational efficiency is through the use of metrics. The new Seller Portal dashboard empowers you to track sales, identify growth opportunities, and optimize business efficiency through detailed analytics and reports. With the access to key metrics such as average order amounts, top viewed products, and sales performance over different time frames, you can now make informed decisions to drive success. Also, one of the best strategies that we are currently having is regular sales follow-up. As a part of our commitment to partnership success, we conduct regular follow-ups to assist you in tracking your seller account and business operations efficiency on the marketplace. During this session, we cover essential topics to help enhance your performance, including such as performance. So we delve into the sales metrics to analyze what's working well and identify areas of improvement. Pricing strategy to explore strategies to optimize pricing for increased sales and maintaining competitiveness. Also, product optimization by reviewing your product listing to identify opportunities for optimization and improved visibility. And finally, catalog enriching, in which we identify areas of improvement in your offering and discussing strategies to expand and diversify your inventory on the marketplace. So, your success is our success. Thank you for joining us today as we unveil the power of the new Think Park market. We are excited to see how this enhancement will elevate your IoT sales and drive your business forward.